Hi, Maria here from Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to be giving you a closer look at the Pro Powder Brush Set from Beauty Junkees. Now this is a 3-piece brush set that does include a beautiful bag that is perfect for storing your brushes as you travel. These brushes are so soft and easy to work with, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about all 3 of them, as well as sharing a demo with you so you can see them in action. Up first is the Pro Setting Brush. This brush is perfect for applying loose or pressed powder under the eyes for a velvety smooth finish without messing up your concealer. To use, you're going to go ahead and dab the bristles into your favorite setting powder and then tap off the excess. To apply, start at the inner corner of the eye and with a light hand, lightly push the product into the skin, moving towards the temple. And then slowly move back towards the inner corner until the entire eye area is set. It's very helpful if you do look up while you're doing this process, and you may need to sweep back and forth very lightly until the entire area is set as desired. Next up is the large powder brush. This large, fluffy powder brush applies finishing powder all over the face to set your foundation for a flawless finish. To use, simply swirl and dab the brush into your loose or compact powder, tap off the excess product, and then tap the brush all over your face, pushing the powder into the skin. Next, buff in small circular motions from the center of the face working outwards, sweeping away any excess powder. And lastly is the Multitasker Brush. The Pro Multitasker Brush has a domed shape with beveled bristles designed to pick up the perfect amount of powder and blends blush effortlessly, achieving great color payoff. Of course, since this is a multitasker brush, it can also be used to apply contour, bronzer, loose powder, and many other uses. I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply blush with it, and I'm going to be using the Beauty Junkees blush in the shade Russet Rose. To apply, simply dab and swirl your brush into your favorite blush, tap off any excess product, and then hold the brush at the end of the handle, as this will help provide a lighter amount of pressure. And then with a light hand, tap your brush on the area of your face that you want to apply your blush. Then blend in small circular motions, moving back towards the temple. Of course, you can achieve a more natural look with just one application, or you can also build up the coverage as needed. And that's how you use the Pro Powder Makeup Brush Set from Beauty Junkees. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a beautiful day.